On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will focus on the best practices for conditional statements in JavaScript. If statements are a fundamental control structure in JavaScript programs. However, as code becomes more complex, the number of if statements can increase, making the code harder to read. This time, we will delve into the best practices for designing if statements properly in JavaScript to enhance readability and maintainability. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Please make use of it. First, let's look at an example of simplifying code using flags. Simplify conditions involving multiple criteria by using Boolean values. Use flags to clarify conditions. Next, let's look at an example of keeping conditional expressions simple. When a conditional expression becomes complex, code readability decreases, so it is necessary to keep the condition simple. By breaking down the condition into variables with specific meanings, you can clarify its intent. Next, let's look at an example of clarifying the precedence of logical operators. In JavaScript, if statements misunderstanding the precedence of logical operators can lead to unintended behavior. When the precedence of operators is unclear, you can use parentheses appropriately to clarify. Next, let's look at an example of utilizing short-circuit evaluation. JavaScript supports short-circuit evaluation for both the and or operators. Short-circuit evaluation means that when the result of a condition is determined during evaluation, the remaining part is not evaluated. And if the left-hand side is evaluated as false, the right-hand side is not evaluated and its value is returned. Or, if the left-hand side is evaluated as true, the right-hand side is not evaluated and its value is returned. In this code, the user some complex function is called even if user is logged in is false. Understanding short-circuit evaluation can help you avoid unnecessary computations and write efficient code. Next, let's look at an example of minimizing the use of else. Else statements can increase cognitive load when tracking the code. Instead, consider utilizing early returns. Clarify conditions with early returns. Next, let's look at an example of appropriately using the ternary operator. For simple conditions, using a ternary operator can shorten your code. However, avoid nesting or complex logic. Prioritize readability by splitting conditions. Next, let's look at an example of utilizing default values and short-circuit evaluation. Use default values and short-circuit evaluation to reduce branching and simplify code. In this case, using logical operators makes it more concise. Next, let's look at an example of properly distinguishing when to use switch statements. When multiple conditions are needed, switch statements can make intentions clearer. Using switch statements can help organize code. Next, let's look at an example of using guard clauses with early exit conditions in mind. A guard clause is a technique that uses if statements to exit a function early. Use guard clauses to reduce nesting. Next, let's look at an example of writing comments that clearly convey intent. For complex conditions or critical branches, add concise and clear comments to convey the code's intent. Add comments to make intentions clear. Effectively using JavaScript's if statements can greatly improve code readability and maintainability. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. This channel provides practical and useful information about programming. Subscribe to the channel and let's deepen our programming skills together.